Getting into your car on a freezing morning only to find it buried under snow and ice. Every winter driver's nightmare. Using the wrong tools can damage your car's paint or leave you struggling for hours. After analyzing hundreds of reviews and testing multiple products, these 5 snow brushes and ice scrapers stand out for their effectiveness. Check the description below for links to all products mentioned in this video. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5 is the Snow Joe Telescoping Snow Broom. It features a generous 18-inch foam head that's designed to protect your car's finish. The built-in LED lights are actually useful for early morning or late-night snow removal. The telescoping handle extends from 33 to 52 inches, making it easier to reach across larger vehicles. At just 1.5 pounds, it's lightweight enough for almost anyone to use comfortably. The foam grips provide decent control, even with winter gloves on. And while the LED feature is innovative, it's not all perfect. The lightweight design that makes it easy to handle also makes it feel somewhat flimsy. Several users reported concerns about long-term durability, particularly with the telescoping mechanism. The LED lights, though helpful, could be brighter. Things to consider. If you're looking for something ultra-durable, you might want to look at other options. The pole can feel wobbly when fully extended, and the light feature drains batteries quickly in cold weather. Actually, the foam head works well for light to moderate snow, but struggles with heavier, wet snow. The JOYTUTUS takes the 4th spot with its 5-in-1 design. The 47-inch reach and 270-degree rotating head definitely make it versatile for different vehicle sizes. You know what's interesting? It comes with a pair of gloves and a storage bag. Practical additions for winter use. The brush head combines squeegee and bristles effectively. The aluminum construction gives it a solid feel, and the foam grip handles cold temperatures well without becoming slippery. Because of its multi-angle adjustment, you can find comfortable positions for cleaning different parts of your vehicle. It's worth noting that while the feature list is impressive, assembly can be tricky. The rotating mechanism, though useful, has some play in it that might bother detail-oriented users. If you're planning to frequently disassemble it for storage, be prepared for some frustration with the locking mechanisms. Things to consider. The squeegee edge could be more rigid for better ice removal. Absolutely consider the storage space you have. At 47 inches, it's one of the longer options available. And while the included accessories are nice, the gloves are basic, and you might want to use your own higher quality winter gloves instead. Moving to number 3, the Mallory 532 takes a simpler approach. It's a no-frills 26-inch brush that focuses on getting the basics right. The 4 rows of bristles provide good coverage without being too aggressive on your car's surface. The 4-inch ice scraper blade works efficiently on frost and light ice. Its shorter length makes it ideal for compact cars and easy storage. The contoured foam grip feels comfortable and secure, even with thick winter gloves. Because of its straightforward design, there are fewer parts that could potentially break or malfunction. I do appreciate the 90-day warranty, but it's shorter than some competitors offer. The fixed-length handle means you'll need to stretch more to reach the center of larger vehicles. You don't get fancy features like LED lights or rotating heads here. Things to consider. The bristles are on the stiffer side, great for heavy snow but require careful use to avoid scratching sensitive surfaces. The basic design means you're missing out on extras like telescoping handles or squeegees. If you have a larger vehicle or SUV, you might find the 26-inch length a bit limiting. The Snow Mover takes our 2nd spot with its practical balance of features and durability. The 39-inch extendable reach hits the sweet spot for most vehicles, and the 11-inch wide head covers more surface area than most competitors. The aluminum construction provides a solid feel without excessive weight. Its double-sided brush head combines squeegee and bristles effectively, adapting well to different winter conditions. Because of its detachable design, you can easily break it down for storage during warmer months. The ergonomic grip deserves mention. It's comfortable for extended use and maintains good control. If you're dealing with varying snow conditions, the combination of bristles and squeegee proves particularly useful. Actually, the detachable ice scraper is more substantial than many competing models. Things to consider. At 2 pounds, it's heavier than some alternatives. You might notice the weight during longer cleaning sessions. The price point is higher than basic models, though the build quality generally justifies the cost. The locking mechanism for the telescoping feature occasionally sticks in very cold weather, requiring extra force to adjust. The AstroAI 27-inch snow brush and ice scraper earns our top spot by excelling at the fundamentals of winter car care. Here's the thing about this brush. Its bristle design genuinely protects your car's paint while effectively removing snow. The high-strength ABS shaft withstands temperatures down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit without becoming brittle. Its 7-inch brush head provides efficient coverage, while the 4.5-inch ice scraper includes integrated knuckles that break up stubborn ice effectively. Because of its two-piece design, you can quickly separate the brush and scraper for easier handling. The EVA cotton handle provides reliable grip even in wet conditions. If you're concerned about storage, the detachable design helps there too. The bristles are specifically engineered with split ends, making them gentler on your car's finish while maintaining cleaning effectiveness. Things to consider. The 27-inch length, while perfect for compact cars, might be challenging for larger vehicles. You don't get premium features like LED lights or telescoping handles. The scraper's plastic edge, though durable, isn't quite as efficient on thick ice as metal scrapers. Actually, some users mentioned the connection point between brush and handle could be more secure. Thanks for watching this detailed breakdown of the best car snow brushes and ice scrapers. Hit subscribe for more automotive accessory reviews and maintenance tips. Don't forget to check the description for links to all products mentioned. Stay safe on those winter roads.